Breaking fall with a battle cry. Tears fill the eyes of your loved ones and your brothers. On to a win for Joseph Warren. It should have been different. It could have been easy. Spring could have saved it. But a country unborn needs bravery, and it spread like wildfire. From the ashes grew sweet liberty, like the seeds of the pines when the forest burns. They open up, grow, burn. It should have been different. It could have been easy. Too much money rolled in to never end slavery. The cry for war spread like wildfire. Brother fought brother, the South was spared, but it's true to my was hatred passed down through the years. It should have been different, it could have been easy, but pride has a way of holding too firm to history, and then it burns like wildfire. Southern side, in a small southern town where the rebels run wild, beat their chests and swear they're gonna rise again. Well, it should have been different, it could have been easy. The day that old Warren died, hate should have gone with him. Here we are, causing wildfire.
Mm-hmm.